What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. And Dad, what are we cooking today?
We are cooking chicken fingers today.
Great, let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe.
Chicken breast, flour, eggs, sour cream, yogurt, garam masala, nutmeg, oregano, salt, cumin, coriander, turmeric, black pepper.
To get the best chicken finger, first you have to brine the chicken. So what you have to do is cut the slices of chicken breast and take water in bowl and put 1 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon of salt. Stir it well till it dissolves. Then you put the chicken inside and let it sit for a few hours. Like overnight is the best thing. What I've done today is I've kept it for 5 hours and chicken has turned out quite fluffy. So what this does is makes the chicken fluffy and soft. So first thing we are going to do now is make the first mix for chicken fingers. This is sour cream. Next we put yogurt. Put some salt, some black pepper, oregano. We'll blend this nicely and then we'll put all this chicken inside here. So now I'm going to put chicken in this mix and blend it nicely so every piece gets this mix and gets the taste in it. Next we'll make the dry mix for the chicken fingers. First we'll put some salt in it, black pepper, turmeric, coriander, cumin, nutmeg and garam masala. This is all mixed in 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next we are going to prepare egg mix for the chicken. Two eggs, a little bit of water, salt, pepper and mix it well. Now I will take the dry mix and divide it into 2 plates. Okay, so I'll put half in one and half in the other. So we'll marinate the chicken in this sauce for about an hour. After 1 hour we'll start our process. So what we do is take a piece of chicken and we'll coat it with in this plate. Then we'll put it in egg wash and then in the second mix. And you have to make sure like this is coated proper, not to let anything stay open. So you can see how this is coated. Now we'll keep it in here, let it dry a little. Let's do one more. First we'll put it in dry coating. Next we'll put it in egg wash and the final coating. Make sure everything is coated proper and then we'll keep it to dry for a minute. Now we have one batch of chicken fingers ready to fry. The oil is on medium-high temperature and we are going to start frying our chicken. Let the bubbles come up and then it will slow down. If you don't do that, then chicken will go at the bottom and will become dark. So chicken fingers are looking good now. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. It's been about 3 minutes now. And you can see the color is changing. And then it becomes like golden brown. That shows that it's almost done. starts floating like this, it's almost done. So we'll leave it for half a minute more and take it out. This pieces are no good. This is our finished and fried chicken fingers. Now we'll do the taste test, and I want to show you how it turned out, like so soft and fluffy it is. So she'll taste one piece and I'll taste another piece, and then see how it is. You must try this. Until next time.